There is a way. Where everyone else has tried and failed, we have succeeded. We now bring to the general public technology and stock market performance, which was once thought impossible. This quantum leap technology makes possible weekly stock predictions with an exacting, unprecedented level of precision. Our financial platform means business, letting you select from over 648 US and foreign stocks, mutual funds and ETFs, with an easy-to-use, no-nonsense interface that makes sure you get the latest price trends and predictions on time, every time. We have the capacity, the means, and the technology to accurately predict US and foreign stocks, mutual funds, and ETFs with a degree of certainty previously unheard of. Like clockwork, know what's going to happen beforehand, every single time, and take the guesswork and risk out of wise stock market investing. Enjoy the financial benefits now. Yes, there is a way. Because we're committed to your financial success. Treadwell, Stanton, DuPont.
Bringing the future one step closer.